M0FXB, welcome to my channel. Uniden SDS200 scanner. Let's just go through the controls on the front panel. So we'll start at the top and we will start to scroll through. You've got a description here which says the following table includes the most common functions, and we'll scroll further up and let's just go through one at a time. So the scroll knob is the big silver knob on the left, is also the doubles up as a function knob. Then you've got the volume and light, which is on the top right hand side. Volume and light. It says here, rotate to the right to turn on the scanner and increase volume, rotate to the left to decrease and turn off, tap to turn on off the display backlight. Note that when the display backlight is off, nothing is visible on the display. Then you've got an avoid button, which is on the, if you look at the numeric keypad, it's on the bottom left. Press once to temporarily avoid the current channel or frequency. And there's more instructions there. I'm going to put a link in to everything that I'm reading here. I won't read everything because it's quite a lot to read. There is a zip services button, which is to the bottom right of the numeric keypad, called zip services. Press to enter country zip postal code. Press function, then zip to select service types to be scanned. You've got the soft keys at the bottom there. As you can see, one is labeled system, department and channel. Squelch menu, rotate to increase the squelch. So you can see the squelch button underneath the volume on off. Squelch a menu. Replay record. Press to replay the last transmission. So you've got a replay record there with some red writing on it at the bottom of the keypad. Now remember to activate the secondary. So you've got the numbers written, and next to the numbers you've got, for example, number 1 you've got search, 2 search, 3 search, 4 ATT, 5 dim. Before you use those functions, you push the big silver function knob on the left. And so that's just scrolling through here, and it itemizes what each of those things do. You've got ATT, search 1 and 2. So I'll read one here. Press to enter the digit 2 in any numeric entry mode. In channel hold mode, press function, then 2 to toggle on off the search you've assigned. So you can assign searches. ATT, press to enter the digit 4 in any numeric entry mode. In channel mode, press function, then 4 to toggle attenuation on or off. Then you've got channel hold mode as well, which I think if you're listening to something and it's scanning and you like what it stops, you push that button and it will stop and listen. Then you've got the dim function, which is number 5. Press to enter the digit 5 in any numeric entry mode. In channel mode, press function, then 5 to set the display brightness level. So basically number 5 sets the brightness. Number 6 is the weather. Number 7, in search mode, holding on a frequency, press function, then 7 to toggle intermediate frequency exchange on or off to the current frequency. Number 8, in search mode, holding on a frequency, press function, then 8 to monitor the repeater input frequency. So it's an input frequency, so it's reversing. So if you've got a shift, let's say for a repeater, and you want to hear the input rather than the output, you can press that. Number 9 is display, so it toggles between showing more details. So if you look at the photograph in this video, you can see that that is turned on because you're getting extra information there at the bottom of the screen. And 0, it says here, press to enter the 0 digit. In channel mode, press function, then 0 to set the volume offset for the current channel. And that's it. So that's just a basic quick one here as we're going through learning the buttons. It's a very interesting receiver. I agree it's quite a high price, but it is probably the best scanner in the world, and that's what you're paying for. And future updates as well, they've got USB connections on there that's not being used. The GPS at the moment, I think, is using the sort of Ethernet style connector on the back, or phone type connector. Maybe there's going to be better possibilities with that using the USB connectors. So thanks for watching my channel. This is a learning video, and this is literally stage 1 for me, learning the Uniden SDS200. And once I have it here for proper testing, we'll do this with the real radio. Thanks for watching my channel. Bye for now. M0FXB YouTube.